The Pago Pago originally appeared in the 1940 book How and When by Hyman Gale and Gerald F. Marco. But the recipe that we're doing today, the one that we're doing in this video, is an adaptation of the drink by tiki bar legend Jeff Beachbum Berry. First things first, half an ounce of lime juice, quarter of an ounce of Crème De Cacao. We're gonna take 5 of these guys, and we're gonna muddle them into the mixture. Or you could add about 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice if you don't want to do this. But I'm doing this because this is the way they did it when the cocktail was created. This is the way Jeff Berry does it, and so I'm doing it. Half an ounce of our centum herbis, and we're gonna use 1.5 ounces of Frond de Barrelito. Ice in the tin. You guys know the drill by now. Give it a nice hard shake. 8 to 10 seconds. So we're just gonna get a little tiny piña leaf. Who says these clips are passe? I rather like them. It's got like a little, nice. It's got a lot better balance than I thought it would. The pineapple juice and the centum herbis is really fantastic together. You get a little bit of that creme de coco on the back end. Also, the bordiga, the centum herbis, has a little kind of almost coffee chocolate thing on the back end. So a little bit different in flavor profile from your green chartreuse, which adds to the complexity of the cocktail a bit. And then you've got the rum bringing up the back end there. What's also good about it is that I think the crushing of the pineapple gave it a little bit more subtlety as opposed to just being hit over the head with the pineapple. So there you have it, the Pago Pago.